There's one conversation habit that makes intelligent people sound unsure of themselves, and almost everyone does it automatically when they feel slightly nervous. It's over-explaining. When someone asks you a question and you know the answer, nervous energy pushes you to keep talking after the answer is complete. You add justifications, caveats, extra context nobody asked for. Every extra sentence after the answer dilutes how confident and credible you sound. The rule is, answer, then stop. If someone asks your opinion, give it in 1 or 2 sentences and close your mouth. The pause that follows feels awkward to you, but reads as calm authority to everyone else. Confident people finish sentences. Nervous people keep going. Choose which one you sound like. Follow for one communication upgrade every day.